guys, today we'll be looking at the January YA box from the Cre8ive Inspirations box. This month is all about space. The book for this month is The Disasters by M.K. England. Let's have a look. First up, we have some super adorable astronaut earrings. They can also be worn as pins on your favourite tote bag. What a cute idea. Next up we have a dazzling nebula pendant necklace. It's got a black chain and it's a little black pendant with space on it. Very cute. Here we have some deco stickers. Some cute little stickers that you can stick around the room or on books. Next up we have a lip balm from Starlit Ink Designs. It's a bubblegum flavour. Yum! Here we have what looks to be a picture in a small frame. It's a digital art print by French digital artist S. Decorat Photography. Oh wow, look at this. So this is the main item. You've got your book and this book sleeve. The book sleeve has been handmade by one of the Cre8ive team members, and it's an Into the Universe book sleeve. That's adorable. Then we have our bookmark. It's an Interstellar Space Bridge bookmark that they have designed especially for you at Cre8ive Inspirations. And our main thing is our book this month. It's a YA book, so it's specifically for youth with the larger print. And it's called The Disasters by M.K. England. It's a book full of high-stakes action, subversive humour and underdogs becoming heroes. This is a YA sci-fi novel. That's all from the January YA Cre8ive Inspirations book box. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks guys.